Hey, so I know it's August and it's still hot outside, but hey, Christmas is right around the corner and we've got something special and exciting for you at Real Turf Solutions this year. Hey, so last year we did Christmas lights. We had a phenomenal turnout and we got to thinking about, what's the most expensive time of the year? That's Christmas. And so we wanted to give you a Christmas wish and a Christmas present in August. This year, we're running a special with our Christmas lights. The first 100 folks that sign up with our Christmas light program this year, you get 10% off. And you may say, well, that's not a whole lot, but 10% is 10% with our current economic state. So take advantage of those opportunities. On top of that, we know Christmas is expensive. I don't know about at your house, but at mine, my kids love toys and presents, and it gets costly in December. So we're also running a special this year, and we're gonna run a program in the availability of doing 3 simple installments to cover your Christmas lights. So if you sign up in August, we'll give you 10% off, and we'll allow you to have 3 easy payments of your Christmas lights and have them paid off in November. That way you'll be easy for November and December. You can get ready for those Christmas presents and make sure your kids have a great Christmas. Hey, don't forget, taking advantage of this wonderful opportunity. We look forward to putting Christmas lights on your house this year.